Okay, good morning folks. Real quick, I had to make some tabs to attach to the nose of the bow right here, and these are going to fit right up underneath here just like so, and they're going to match that angle of the keel beam and stringer right there. And I realized that I need something to lay that panel down on top of right there when I get ready to bond that to the nose right here. I didn't have anything out here in this gap right here, and so I'm going to lay that down. I just did not want to depend on epoxy alone. I want to have some wood back there, some plywood back there to attach that to, rather than just relying on the bead of epoxy. And plus that will help me to lay that panel down nice and flat, because if I left that gap like that, there's a chance that I could, you know, put a bow in this thing when I go to attach it to the keel beam here and at the stringer and out here at this outer edge right here. So that's what I'll be doing this morning. I'll be attaching these. I've already cut these on the table saw, got the angle I need, and so that's my morning project. Alright, more to come. Okay, I'm back. And so the tabs are bonded in, and as always, you know the rest of the story. Now we wait. Alright folks, welcome back. And what you're looking at right there is the final phase of the bonding of this first panel right here. And this is not actually bonded in place. I had to do a little bit of experimenting with the clamps and to see exactly how I was going to clamp this, and this is what I came up with. Now earlier today I bonded these tabs in place just so this panel right here will have something to rest against when I get ready to bond this. And it's kind of late right now. I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow, and I'll probably do that sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. And yeah, panel number 1 will be completed shortly. So 1 down, 3 more to go. Alright, so the forward half of this panel is now bonded in place, and this panel is actually now bonded, or I should say it's tacked down, but it is bonded and shaped the way it needs to be. And like I said, now all I need to do is come out here and just pack the edges with the epoxy, and yeah, I am now 1/4 of the way there. 1 down, 3 to go. Alright folks, welcome back. That has had all day to cure, so time for the unveiling. If this thing pops off like it's under spring tension, you get to see it first. Here goes. Now let's take the other side off first. Okay, so far so good. Pop that clamp. Alrighty. I have no doubts that epoxy's gonna hold. Alrighty. Wax paper off now. We got some sanding to do. We'll do a clean up there. That's okay. We can deal with that. Now, just so you know, this edge right here is going to get sanded down. This is going to get rounded over. This is not going to be sticking up like this when I get finished. Just have a lot of finish sanding to do. Alright, let's get this clamp off. And so far so good. That noise was me dropping that clamp on the floor, as I've only got one hand now since I'm holding the camera. Okay, to the floor. Alright folks, that's what 1/4 of a boat hull looks like. It's on. Like I said, 1 down, 3 to go. Alright, Thanks for watching.